All right, guys, we are live. This is Jacob Hess here, your instructor and mentor, and I just wanted to reach out to you guys and introduce myself. I'm going to wait a little while. It's a little bit late, actually, here on the West Coast. It's around 8 p.m. almost, so it is kind of late. So I'm going to give this a little bit of time, see some people show up, because I want to do an Ask Me Anything. So I want to see if anyone has any questions, and if they do, I'll answer them. However, there will be a little bit more I'll cover in this live video. So I'd like to introduce myself to start out here. So many of you may know me if you've seen my videos before. If you're already a subscriber, then you're probably familiar with who I am. My name's Jacob Hess. And again, I just wanted to do this quick YouTube live to introduce myself and, well, to say hello to all you guys, to say hello to all our wonderful subscribers. And we got started with this channel way back in about 2010. We didn't give it too much love, but now we are. We actually have a full-blown training company, and I wanted to share some things with you guys. I wanted to share some things about how we got started. I wanted to share some things with you guys about what we're doing, and just kind of chat with you. So if you have any questions or if you have anything you would like to say, I do have the chat open, so you can go ahead and post anything you'd like into the chat box, and I will see it. Let me just pull it up here and make sure I have it. All right. So, again, this is Jacob Hess, and there's a couple people showing up now. So I'll go ahead and just kind of get started with describing to you guys where we came from and what this channel is all about. So this channel was created by my company. I'm a co-founder of the company NextGen, and it stands for Next Generation Training at this point. And the channel is for up-and-coming and aspiring IT engineers. So if you want to be a network engineer or a systems engineer, this is the channel for you. Because working in IT is awesome, and we want to spread the information about it and how you can actually become an engineer without even having to get a degree. So yes, that is true. And if you guys are watching right now, I just want to let you know that by the end of this video, I will have a special gift for you guys. So stay tuned, because yes, I'll have a special gift by the end of this live stream that I'll share with you guys, and it will also be in the description of the video. So going back to a little bit of the history of this channel, again, my name is Jacob Hess. The company is NextGen. We started this channel back in around 2010 or so. I created some subnetting videos to get it started. Now, these were the first videos I ever created, and people actually seem to really like them. They seem to get some benefit out of it, and we do have some questions coming in here. I'll look at those just a second. But this subnetting technique, the bit identification technique, I actually call it. I know some other people have stumbled upon this too, but when I was in the Air Force and I was teaching subnetting, I came across this method and I was like, wow, it's so easy. It simplifies everything because you're actually using the bits to figure it out. You're not using formulas. And it just makes things a lot easier to understand. And you can actually do subnetting with the method. In those very first videos I posted back in 2010, you can do subnetting with those a lot easier in your head and things like that, and on paper when you're in the field. Now, of course, when you're in the field, you have subnet calculators, and I'm not saying don't ever use those, but what I am saying is that it's a great method. Now, that's where we got started. We got started with this channel back in 2010. So someone just came in with a question, how can I get the course? Well, I'm not sure exactly what course you're talking about. We do have a lot of courses, and we have entire programs as well, Edmar. You can actually visit our website. You can go to academy.nextgen.com, and you can see a lot of stuff we have. So academy.nextgen.com. I'm typing it here into the chat. All right, so guys, yes, we got started back in 2010 on this channel. Now, for the past 2 years, we've been creating a pretty awesome, amazing, I will say, training company here at NextGen. And we have an awesome program called Zero to Engineer. We actually take people, even with zero experience, and we like to turn them into, or train them to be engineers. That's our whole modus operandi. So that's what we're doing now. And I will be bringing you guys a lot more videos on YouTube, and I hope you have really gotten a lot out of the newest videos I've released. And I will be releasing a new video in the coming week or so where we take apart a Cisco 2800 ISR G1 router and then put it all back together, look at the insides as well, of course, show you all the components. So that's what that video is going to be about, so you can really look forward to that. Now, we have a question coming in about Network Plus certification. Okay, that's from Edmar as well. So yes, Edmar, Actually, I do have a gift. It's funny that you mentioned that because the gift is going to be related to exactly what you're talking about, and I'm going to get to that here in just a second, so it won't be too long. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more history first. So the Network Plus certification course Edmar is mentioning is a course I created, and I guess I can go ahead and talk about it since he's asking about it. So the course is over 23 hours of content. I literally poured my heart and my soul into creating the Network Plus certification course that we provide. Now we're giving a special discount as well, and that's going to be the gift. So the course, it is a premium course. Why is it a premium course? Why am I calling it a premium certification course? Well, because, like I said, I did pour my heart and soul into it and all my years of experience into creating this course, and it's very well produced, super high quality, very easy to follow explanations. And if you've ever seen any of my videos thus far, you can understand that what I'm telling you is the truth. And so the course, it is good. Now, it's not just the video content; it's also some practice tests and quizzes and whatnot, and how to approach taking your exam. So it's super comprehensive. So yes, it is a premium course. All right, looks like that is all the questions that came in. Thank you, Edmar. Thank you. All right. So picking a little bit back up where I left off before I was describing the certification course is a little bit more about our company, a little bit more about channel, a little bit more about who I am, because I'm trying to introduce myself to you guys officially. And my name's Jacob Hess. I am right now 34 years old, and I have been in the United States military. I was an instructor in the United States Air Force where I trained people on network engineering. Between myself and my co-founder, we actually were also both in the military, and we also both trained people. So we trained around 1,000 engineers or so in our time in the military, but since then, we've both worked all around the tech ecosystem. For manufacturers like Cisco, we've worked for consulting companies. I myself worked at a VAR called TechLinks, and we've also worked in customer environments like credit unions, banks, also for when I mentioned consulting companies, we also started our own consulting company as well and did consulting like that. So really, we have a full, complete 360-degree view and understanding of the world of IT and how you can actually carve your path to a great career as fast as possible. And these days, people think you need degrees and all this stuff. Well, you really don't. You just need to know what skills you need to learn, the best certifications to get, how to go about it, how to actually learn what you're doing rather than just memorize answers to tests. You need to actually know what you're doing. So how to go about doing all that, how to set up your path and execute on it and get the job you want in IT. So that is what we are all about, guys. That's what our company is all about. And we have the Zero to Engineer, which is kind of like an umbrella of our training. Anyhow, that's a little bit of history on me and on the company itself. We've been going for around 2 years now. We're here in Silicon Valley, actually. Silicon Valley on the West Coast in California. That's where our headquarters, our main office is located. And this is actually our studio. This is where I create some of the YouTube videos that you've seen. So you can look forward for more great content coming out of this room. And that's pretty much what I wanted to convey. That's how I wanted to introduce myself. Just wanted to make sure you guys get a little bit of insight on who I am. All right, so now, cutting to the chase here. What is the gift we have? Again, remember, guys, you can ask me anything you want. I know it's a little late, so there's not too many people on, but I'll do another one of these soon. And the gift that we have for you guys is you can get this Premium Network Plus course right now, which is actually anchored at $997. You can get it for just $10. $10. Giving away our amazing Network Plus certification course that took me a long time to create and, blood, sweat, and tears and all that. We're giving away for just $10. So it's a really great opportunity for you guys. Again, everything's going to be in the description of the video. And if you'd like to take advantage of that, you can. Now, I do want to say that you have to use a coupon code. So I'm going to go ahead and transition to my desktop here. I'm just going to show you how to use the coupon code if you do want to take advantage of this offer. So the coupon code is VIP99C, and you can just go to the link in the description there to access this page, which is at nextgent.com. You can't actually get to this exact same page if you just visit our website. You need to use the link in the description. So if you go to that, you'll see here, it'll have this big green bar at the top, VIP99C. So in order to take advantage of this, guys, you just click on the button here, and then it will go to the checkout page. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is because I want to make sure that you enter in the coupon code correctly. So once this thing begins to load up here, we'll see we can just scroll down. And there's the regular price, but we can put in VIP 99C. So VIP 99 Charlie, VIP 99C, and make sure that you hit the apply coupon button. And once you do that, you'll see the coupon was applied, and there it changes the price to just $10. So make sure you do that, guys. Make sure you enter the code, and make sure you click on the button to apply the code before you go through the checkout process. All right. So that is what I wanted to show you there. And again, awesome course. The information will be in the description, and use code VIP99C. Now, you can take advantage of that, but also, guys, I'm going to be reaching back out pretty soon, probably on Friday. So make sure that you look out for me coming on to a YouTube Live on Friday, where I'm going to announce an amazing offer we have, an amazing thing we're doing here at NextGent and with our Zero to Engineer program. So I'm going to make sure that all you guys are aware of that coming here this Friday sometime. So make sure, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the like button. And if you're new, make sure you also subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate that. We'll be bringing you tons of free content all throughout the coming years to come. So I look forward to producing some great videos for you guys. And if you have any requests, seriously, if you have any requests, you can post them in comments of the videos. I try to answer all you guys' questions as much as I can, even the technical ones, and I will look at your comments. So if you have any requests for certain types of information, I can do videos on it. So just wanted to wrap up with that. Again, my name is Jacob Hess, your instructor and mentor. And I'll see you guys on our next live stream, which will be on Friday.